Okay, Ken. So I'm going to just jump straight in. Okay, we have about 45 minutes for vectors. So for vectors, okay, I'm just jumping straight into the question. So this is an example of an O-level question. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Ken?
Mm.
Okay, I'm looking at question number 2. I want to try question number 2 first because question number 2 will be a very good example of a vector question. Because question 1 they mix with the equation and the coordinate geometry. So first of all, we need to understand if you understand what vectors is all about. Can you tell me the difference between vectors and coordinate geometry? Okay. What's the difference between vector and coordinate geometry? Okay, well, in your own words, right, can you tell me what do you understand about vectors based on your understanding?
I only know vector and scalar quantity.
Okay, no, vector is vector. Scalar is not vector.
I
Okay.
knew.
So, sorry?
No, I don't know.
Okay, never mind. So I'll just jump in, okay? So you see you learn coordinates, right? Coordinates is the XY coordinate. For example, point, this one is X and Y. You see the 3, 4? 3,
Yeah.
4 is XY. So XY is a coordinate. It tells you at what point, it shows you what are the things at what point. It describes that X is at number 3 and Y is at number 4. So vectors is different. Vectors will tell you direction and magnitude.
Yeah, I wanted to
What in
say that.
Yeah, what does this mean? This means that point P is at 3, 4. Where's point P? Okay, point P is at 3, 4, and then point Q is at 1, 2. This is the XY coordinate. But the column vector PQ will tell you how to travel from P to Q.
Oh.
Excuse me. Okay, so vector is direction plus magnitude. It's like it tells you how to travel from point P go to point Q, whereas the coordinates, right, tells you where is this point and where is this point. That's all.
Mm.
So far, okay. So vector is like a direction. It's a direction, right?
May I
So
ask, is
yeah.
vector diagram part of vectors addition?
Okay, vector diagram is in physics. You see it
Yeah.
in physics. So it's slightly different, but the idea is the same. The
Okay.
idea is the same, but the execution and the way you solve the question will be slightly different.
Okay.
Just a bit different. Okay, so we usually don't mix the two. They're like different things, so we don't put them together. Alright, so let's just take a look at the first question. So question number 2 says we have a point P that is 3, 4, and then we have a point Q that's negative 1, 2. So they give us a point. So they want us to write down the column vector PQ. So what this means is, imagine you are an ant, 蚂蚁, 你懂吗? Ant.
Mm.
Imagine you are here. Okay, don't imagine you're an ant, you're a person, right? So you're a person over here. Okay, I want to give you an instruction so that you can travel to Q.
Okay.
What should I tell you?
The direction.
Yeah. So you see, the point here, where is P? P is at 3, 4. And then Q is minus 1, 2. So what is the direction or what is the instruction that I should give you? That is the meaning of column vector. That's the meaning. Okay, I will draw out to show you what it looks like. Okay. So for example, this is the y coordinate. Y here, x here. The point 3, 4, let's say 3 and 4. Point 3, 4 is here.
Mm.
Then this P. Then I want you to go to Q. Where is Q? Negative 1, 2. So negative 1 is somewhere here. 2 is halfway here. So point Q is here. So what instruction would you give someone to travel from P to Q?
Mm.
What instruction? What I would do is I would look at how many steps down and then how many steps to the left, correct? That would be the
Oh.
best instruction, right? Imagine imagine you're blindfolded here. You're
Mm-hmm.
blindfolded. Okay, how to draw blindfolded? Something like that. Okay. What would you tell yourself? Move down how many steps? P is 3, 4. Q is -1, 2. Okay, how many steps must you move down? From 4
Two,
to 2, right? So
two
go down 2
steps.
steps. Then go left how many steps?
4 steps.
4 steps. So your column vector will be x value -4, y value -2.
Oh, why is it like that?
This is instruction ma. Okay, -4 means move left. Move left 4 steps. Then -2 means move down 2 steps. Because this is the x value, this is the y value for a
Oh,
column vector.
oh, so it's
Okay,
like
so yeah,
4 minus 4 is like,
left. Go left.
wait, I cannot put go right first, man.
How
I
to
mean, I
go
mean, I
right?
mean, go down first, man. Minus
Cannot
2
because
first.
the top part is x value. The bottom part is y value. So x value is horizontal. Well, x value is either left or right.
Oh,
Ah,
so it's like a bit like
ah,
maths lah.
it is maths. It's
Yeah.
not a bit. The whole thing is maths. Right. I mean, yeah. I mean, in terms there's calculation. You understand? So people make very confused because they think it's something very complicated. It's not lah. It's just giving instruction ma. Vector is just instruction lah. Go down how many, go left how many. That's all. So so this is the vector for
So,
PQ.
so
So
if the
we
question asks if write
yeah
down the column vector, column vector means directions lah, like just
yeah
directions.
yeah the instruction what instruction to move from one point to another point.
And this is the answer.
Yeah, this is the answer.
Uh,
So how many marks is this?
one.
1 mark only. So very simple.
阿生帮姐姐拿麦咯，楼上帮姐姐拿麦咯。
你发烧我不给他没有，你发烧。
帮我拿麦咯，楼上。Sorry, I was talking to my brother.
Oh, your brother so cute. Have you take breakfast?
He don't want. He say I have a fever, so he don't want to take from me.
Huh? You have fever?
I
Are you going to
don't.
school?
I don't have fever, but he say that I have fever. I don't know why.
Take temperature lah, right? So yeah, never mind. So anyway, maybe he lazy like don't want to take.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, this is column vector. Column vector basically means what is the instruction you give to move from one point to another point, and the instruction must be x value, y value like that. Okay, negative means move left, positive means move right, and then this one negative means move down, positive means move up. That's it. That's all. Okay, so next question. So question number part 2 says find PQ. So when we have this sign, it means find the distance.
Thank you.
Okay. It means find the distance. You see these two lines? Hello?
I'm hearing. Sorry.
Okay. So you see the two lines?
Yeah.
It means find the distance. Now what distance are we supposed to find? We're supposed to find this distance. This one. What is the distance from here to here?
Is it like max again? Just take half times negative. I mean half times 4 times 2.
That one is area lah. Half times 4 times 2 is area.
Oh yeah. Oh sorry. Is it Pythagoras?
Yes, it is.